Hello and welcome to Whole Body Healing Affirmations. This is a short mini meditation designed for you to do on a daily basis, once or twice a day for at least 30 days for best results. We will begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My body is a magnificent healing machine, restoring balance and vitality. Every cell in my body radiates health and vibrancy. My heart beats strongly, nourishing my entire body with life-giving energy. I breathe deeply, filling my lungs with pure, revitalizing air. My liver is strong and efficient, cleansing and detoxifying my body effortlessly. My kidneys are healthy and functioning optimally, removing toxins and promoting balance. My digestive system is strong and efficient, supporting my overall well-being. My skin is radiant and clear, reflecting my vibrant health from within. My bones are strong and resilient, providing a solid foundation for my body. My muscles are supple and strong, supporting my physical activities effortlessly. My immune system is healthy and powerful, protecting me from illness and disease. My brain is sharp and focused, allowing me to think clearly and make wise decisions. My eyesight is clear and sharp, allowing me to see the beauty in the world. My ears are receptive to healing vibrations, allowing me to hear and understand with clarity. My mouth and throat are healthy, enabling me to speak my truth with ease. My lymphatic system flows smoothly, promoting detoxification and immune health. My reproductive system is balanced and harmonious, promoting fertility and vitality. My endocrine system is balanced, ensuring optimum hormonal production and regulation. My adrenal glands are calm and balanced, supporting my body's stress response. My circulatory system flows freely, carrying nourishment and vitality to every cell. My joints are flexible and pain-free, allowing me to move with ease and grace. My bladder and urinary system are healthy and efficient, promoting proper elimination. My stomach digests food effortlessly, extracting nutrients from my body's nourishment. My gallbladder functions perfectly, aiding in the digestion of fats and detoxification. My spleen is healthy and vibrant, supporting my immune system and blood health. My pancreas produces optimum levels of insulin, promoting balanced blood sugar levels. My lungs are clear and strong, allowing me to breathe deeply and fully. My thyroid gland is balanced and harmonious, regulating my metabolism effectively. My pituitary gland functions optimally, maintaining hormonal balance throughout my body. My thymus gland is activated and vibrant, supporting a robust immune response. My colon is healthy and cleansed, promoting proper elimination and gut health. My blood vessels are strong and flexible, ensuring proper circulation throughout my body. My skin is smooth and youthful, reflecting my inner vitality and well-being. My hair and nails are healthy and strong, indicating vibrant overall health. My nervous system is calm and balanced, allowing me to relax and rejuvenate. My cells regenerate with ease, promoting the healing and renewal of my entire body. My energy centers, or chakras, are open and balanced, allowing the free flow of energy. My aura is vibrant and radiant, protecting and energizing my entire being. My lymph nodes are healthy and active, supporting the removal of toxins from my body. My spinal cord is aligned and strong, supporting my overall physical well-being. My bladder is strong and healthy, allowing for proper urinary function. My lungs are clear and strong, allowing for deep and nourishing breaths. My adrenal glands are balanced, supporting my body's stress response effectively. My intestines are healthy and functioning optimally, supporting proper digestion. My spleen is vital and active, supporting a healthy immune response. My hair follicles are strong and healthy, resulting in lustrous and vibrant hair. My nails are strong and resilient, indicating optimal overall health. My bones are strong and sturdy, providing a solid framework for my body. My muscles are toned and flexible, allowing me to move with ease and grace. My joints are lubricated and mobile, supporting smooth and pain-free movement. My blood vessels are strong and elastic, ensuring proper circulation throughout my body. My entire body is a harmonious system, constantly healing, rejuvenating, and thriving. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. I hope you found some interesting points that will work for you. And if you found this helpful, please consider giving me a like, as that will really help me out, and subscribe for more content.